Animals on the Go is a kit that lets you build 4 adorable animal robots: a climbing mouse, a waddling duck, a dancing Pegasus, and a monkey butler. This kit was created especially for younger children to take their first step into the world of mechanics and robotics while having fun. Once you build it, just turn it on and watch it go. No screws or tools are needed with Animals on the Go. That means you can start building robots as soon as you open the box. Once you're done trying out each of the 4 animals, try making a robot of your own. And it's not just robot building. Animals on the Go lets kids study how gears, linkages, and motors work. If you're feeling creative, use your kit to build a new animal or mechanism of your own. Animals on the Go comes with a fully illustrated instruction manual that guides you step by step to build each of the 4 animals. The kit includes the following Arctic block parts, as well as a DC motor and battery box. Animals on the Go is the perfect way for kids to get their first engaging hands-on experience with real mechanics and robots.